Disclaimer, most of these probably suck, because I'm doing all 151 Pokemon, whether I think I can do them well or not. Some of them I think are good. I think some of them are good. But most of them are probably really bad. But I'm gonna give it a shot. Bulbasaur! I mean, Sar! Sar! Charmander! Char! Charmeleon! Squirtle! Squirtle! Wartortle! 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 Metapod! Metapod! Weedle! Diggly-dig, diggly-dig, trio, trio, trio. Meow, that's right. Meow, meow. Meow, sigh, sigh, sigh. Cool book. Hutchit, 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 monkey. Brah, brah, baja. Go, go, left, go. Left, arc, arc, arc. Poliwhirl, Poliwrath. Quillavra! Alakazam! Machop! Machop, machop, machop! Machop! Machop, chop, chop! Bell sprout! Yeah, it does sound like that. Okay? It doesn't look like it does, but it does. Tentacle! 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 Kill, dude. Grappler! Grappler! Golem. I can't make horse noises. Slow, bro. Magnemite, Magnemite, Magneton. Farfetch'd. Seal. No, gang. Driver. Mark. Loister. Ghastly. Anta. Gengar. Drowsy. Hypno. Bowtime. Electrode. Execute. Executor. Cubone. Cubone. Marowak. Hitmonchat. Bang. Coughing. Cough. Wheezing. Chansey. Kangaskhan. See-through. Golding. Seeking. Start. Mr. Mime. Cypher. Jinx. Mad Mime. Carp. Magikarp. Ditto. Couple of tops. Mewtwo. Electro, Diglett, Nidoran, Medkey, Venusaur, Tap, Hero, Pidgey, Seeking, Jolteon, Dragonite, Ghastly, Ponyta, Vaporeon, Poliwrath, Butterfree. And I'm Ash from Pallet Town. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. You guys rock. And to my first 552 subscribers, you guys are insane. I love you. Oh my god, I didn't even imagine. Oh, you guys rock. Thank you. To the other, like, 4 billion people in the world who have yet to subscribe, you guys suck. I'm just kidding. But if you could subscribe, that'd be freaking awesome. Share this on Facebook and stuff, you know? Tell all your friends. Make it a party. I don't know. Gotta catch them all, right?
Darling.